Hello everyone, this is Dan Dog Crypto, Pzen. I told you I would come out to support Conrad Zen. Pzen has had a movement. Price is irrelevant at this point. What our main focus is the launch. The launch that has occurred is organic. Once again, there was no ICO, no pre-sale. So this launched organically. It launched on August 13th. It's not listed on CoinMarketCap's listing as of yet. This is an early opportunity. The launch is organic. You've heard, possibly hearing the Howey test. The attempt, it's always to determine whether something or an investment of money, of common enterprises with the reasonable expectations of profits to be derived from the efforts of others. Pzen meets this. The distribution is organic. It is your work that is done. You choose to interact. No efforts from the works of others, which is a beautiful thing. The code is working. You have to understand what it means to be early. This project here is amazing. A Web3 token, as I've been stressing, the internet has changed everything. That would be considered Web 2. So the internet in the beginning, it's a highway exchanging information. You could interact. You can have personal experience, but it still is centralized. Massive amount of user content and personal information. It's controlled by large entities. Web3 creates the Internet of Things, the ability to decentralize everything, putting you in control. We would be in control of our assets. You can build on top of the technology, the blockchain, crypto assets, non-fungible tokens, smart contracts, interact in a metaverse, create communities, create new financial instruments. This is what Pulse Zen is. It's an early opportunity. You know, everyone now is after the fact. Shiba. What a run it had. Well, Shiba, later part of 2019, beginning of 2020, no one talked about Shiba. Life changing. It is an opportunity early in an investment. Shiba at this point, after its all-time high, a massive run, early opportunity. Bone, token which launched shortly after Shiba. It's at $1.77. CoinMarketCap doesn't even pick it up when it launched. Coinbase doesn't pick it up when it launched. This launched, and if you were following Shiba, Bone launched early. It was in the cents. Now it's at $1.77. This year it had a low of 53 cents. It's had a run. But early opportunities, that's why I stress Pzen is an early opportunity. As I stressed with Hex, early opportunity in the beginning. Yes, you can have rewards. You can do well on appreciation. The crypto market is emerging. There's so much revenue that's coming into the space. Being early gives you the greatest opportunity. Leash, which is another one no one talked about. When Ryoshi launched, today this is at $587. CoinMarketCap, crypto, Coinbase, they're not picking it up when it launched. This launched at $27. It went up as high as $27,000. That's wealth redistribution. It's happening all the time. That's why you need to be early. This was an opportunity. Others, you look at, now everyone talks about Polygon, which is known early on as Matic. 85 cents. It had a high of $3. Now everyone's talking about layer 2 solutions. Polygon. But early on, this was Matic. It went through a name change. This again was in the cents. And it had a massive run. Yes, you can make nice multiples, but early is always the best opportunity. This is an amazing project. I believe, sit tight, let the redistribution of wealth work for you. Life-changing events. Thank you. Talk to you soon.